Hello guys, so if you're looking for an alternative on Midjourney bot that you are using on your Discord, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you a few websites that you can use instead, just like Midjourney. So there are 3 websites that you can use. So again, the links will be given to you in the description box below. You can go ahead and check the websites for yourself. So the first website that we are going to see is DALL-E 2. Now it is not good as Midjourney, but it is still pretty decent and it is also free. But it's not completely free because you will only get a few number of credits, and if you're out of credits, you have to buy them to actually use DALL-E 2. So how to use DALL-E 2? Just simply add a prompt over here in the search panel over here. So as you can see, I have entered a prompt. Then after entering the prompt, just simply hit generate. So just simply give it a few seconds. And as you can see over here, DALL-E 2 isn't as great as Midjourney, because this is an image that was given to me by DALL-E 2 and this is the image that was given to me by Midjourney, and there is a huge difference, and the prompt for both of them were exactly the same. So if you want to use DALL-E 2, you can use it, but it is not gonna be as good as Midjourney. Now moving on to the next site. Next site that we are going to look is Night Cafe. So again, it's a similar website like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney, but it is a bit better than DALL-E 2, because in this website you will find there are pretty detailed in every AI generated images, as you can see over here. So again, it's free, but not completely free, because you will only have a very limited amount of credits, and among those credits you have to use it. But in this one, you can share the link and share the videos to your friends, families, or anyone. And while doing so, you can get credits and you can use them to create an art in this website. Click on create over here, then choose a type, then choose your creation method. As you can see, there are a few over there. So I'm going to go with this one. Click on it, then enter your prompt over here. I'm going to use the same prompt that I used earlier. And if you scroll down, you will see how much credit is being used for each and every setting that you will make. So as you can see, if I made 4 copies, I will lose 1 credit. If I generated 9 copies, I will lose 2.25 credits. And if I generate 16 copies, I will lose 4. Over here, if you change the thumbnail size and the resolution size, you will also get more credits. And if you want to get more higher resolution, you have to buy the premium plan. So in order to buy credits, you can click over here on buy credit and buy some credits. And then as you can see, it is going to cost me 4 credits. So just simply click on create over here, and that should start generating your image. And as you can see over here, I have lost 20% of my credits now. So in order to get more credits, as I said, share the links and your images to get more credits, or just simply buy them, or you can just simply get the pro version over here. As you can see, it is listed over here as well. So as you can see, this is an image that Night Cafe gave us from the prompt, which is again not as great as Midjourney, but still better than DALL-E 2, and it is pretty detailed as well. Now it's time for the last website. So the last website is Playground AI, as you can see over here. So it's probably the best website out of all 3 of them, because in this website you can generate at least 1,000 images per day. But again, it's with a catch. But the thing is, you will have a very long waiting period after generating 1,000 images, and if you're changing the quality of your image, 1,000 image criteria will decrease. So just simply keep that in mind. Now let's see how you can create art in Playground. So for doing that, go to Playground, click on create over here, then again enter the same prompt that I used earlier. Then in this one, you have to add a filter over here. So click on the filters and choose a filter. So let's go with cinematic. Now over here, if you want to add an extra image for a reference, you can add that. Then over here you can change the resolution. So let's go with 1024 by 1024. Then scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the number of copies that it's going to generate. So after checking all of it, just simply click on generate. So it might take few seconds, so just be patient. So as you can see, this has generated an image and it's fine, I suppose. So it is actually a very good website. But in order to get the full potential of this website, you have to be very specific in your prompts, because if you go and see the normal Explorer page, you will be able to see there are very detailed and good looking images that were made on this website, as you can see over here. So in order to get very good results, you have to add a very detailed and good prompt. So let me show you an example. So let's take this image as an example. So just simply click on it, and over here you will be able to see the entire prompt. So this is the amount of prompt that this particular person have given, and after getting the prompt, This is the result that the AI generation tool came out with, and it's pretty good. So in order to get better results, you have to add a huge amount of prompts, and you have to be very specific with each and every word you give. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.